Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. If it's your first time to my channel, welcome. And this is a channel where we take on the WAEC, JAMB. You know, I'm making this video from Lagos, Nigeria. So I'm covering WAEC past question. That's WAEC, that's the West African examination. So it's for students in Gambia, Sierra Leone, Ghana, and Nigeria. Okay, so I'm also covering JAMB and also post-UME. So try to click the subscribe button. I beg, make una support this ministry by just clicking the subscribe button on the screen there. You see that subscribe button on the screen. Try to click it to encourage me to do more. All right, and also don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming soon. Repent and give your life to Christ. You know, there's another place called home, which is what? Heaven. So try to repent so we shall all make heaven at last. Okay, so today's class we're going to be taking simplification of algebraic fractions. So how's the simplification of algebraic fractions done? Now this is done by applying the same principles as in the case of fractional numbers only. Okay, this is just what I put up. So this, you know, the fractional numbers, I know that there are several operations that we carry out under fractional numbers, which are our rules of multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Where you see for multiplication, you can have something like maybe 2 over 3 times 6 over 8, and you cancel out. You know, this is 4, this will give us a 1, this is a 1, and this will give us a 2, and this will also cancel as a 1, and this will also cancel as a 2. So you know, this is how we the rules we apply on multiplication of what fractions. And we also, I know this is also similar to division. For addition, where we have 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4, you know, we have to find the LCM of 2 and 4. Okay, so we use this same principles to apply in what? Algebra, when we have algebraic fractions. All right, so you know, let me try to introduce to you. Let's go to, you know, we have what we know as the division and multiplication of what? Algebraic fractions. So how do we do this? We do this by, we do what? We factorize the numerator and the denominator separately. Then we reduce the resulting terms where possible. Okay, for example, if we have x squared plus xy over x squared minus y squared. Okay, what would this give us? So we have to factorize the numerator and denominator what? Separately. So we can factorize this by bringing out what? X, right here, and we're left with what is left in bracket. We have a x plus a y. Now to factorize this denominator, remember I've treated the topic difference of two squares. So and the difference of these two squares will give us what? A x minus y bracket what? A x plus y. So what will happen here? Now you can see this is division, so this can cancel out this. All right, and what are we left with here? We are left with x over x minus y. So we have to simplify to the simplest form. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to treat some past questions after this introduction to this topic. Okay, all right. Okay, let's say for instance that we also have this. Let me give another example so you understand again more. We also have 2 squared x squared plus what? 3x minus 10 divided by x squared plus 5x. Now you see that we have to what? Factorize this. Okay, so this can be likened to be what? X squared minus, to get plus 3x. What are the factors of minus of 10 that when we add or subtract to give us what? Plus 3x. So it will be what? I'm going to use a plus 5x minus what? 2x minus 10. And here this denominator we can factorize by bringing out x, and we're left with what? X plus 5. All right, so here what do we do here? Well, let's take like terms between x squared and 5x. What do we have? We have what? We'll bring out x, and we have x plus 5 bracket, bring out minus 2, and what are we left with in the bracket? We have what? X it has to be a plus, okay, plus, because when you open up the bracket, you know, when minus times minus will give us a plus, so we have to change this to a positive sign. So when we say minus times a plus, sorry, it will give us what? A minus sign. All right, so and we're left with what? 5 here, because 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. And when you see, when we open up this bracket, we're still going to get minus 2x minus 10. So we divide by what? X bracket x plus 5. All right, so what do we have here? We have x minus 2 bracket x plus 5 divided by x bracket x plus 5. So here what will happen? This will cancel out this, and what are we left with? We're left with what? X minus 2 divided by x. All right, so this is our answer. Okay, so let's go to the next step in what the simplification of algebraic fractions, which is addition and subtraction. Okay, let's clear the screen. Okay, so here, how do we do this? You know, as I told you previously, when you're adding two fractions, you have to look for the LCM of the denominators. Okay, so here I'm just going to give you an example. So we shall make use of the lowest common multiple, which is what? LCM of the denominators in solving this. So let's say, for example, we have 2 over x plus 3 over 2x. How are we going to do this? We have to look for the LCM of what? X and 2x. And what would that give us? That would give us what? 2x. And x in 2x, that's 2x divided by x will give us what? A 2, and 2 times 2 will give us a 4, plus 2x and 2x will cancel out, so we're left with 1. 1 times 3 will give us a 3, and what are we left with here as our answer? We have 7 over 2x. So this is our answer when we're told to simplify this. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say we have 1 over 3t minus 2 over 5t. What would be the LCM here? What will be the LCM? The LCM will be what? 15t. So let's write 15t. So 3 in 15t, what will this give us? This will give us a 5. 5 times 1 will give us what? A 5. Alright? Minus 5t in 15t will give us a 3. And 3 times 2 will give us what? A 6. So we're left with what? 5 minus 6. And what's 5 minus 6? That's what? Minus 1 over 15t. So this is how we simplify algebraic fractions when we are asked to perform either addition or subtraction operations. All right, so see you in our next video, where I will take on some past questions on WAEC and also in NECO. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button there and you are destined to win. Bye.